Morning, my name is Karthik and I am final year at Savita Engineering College pursuing BA Cybersecurity. Today I am presenting my project Isolax, which stands for AI-driven endpoint isolation and security automation. In simple terms, it is a system that watches your computers, detects hackers or malware using AI, and cuts off the infected machine from network automatically. The statement of the problem is let me start with the real world problem this solves. Imagine a hacker gets into one computer on your office network. They don't stop there. They move from machine to machine and steal data, escalate privileges, and by the time security teams reacts, why this happened? Because most teams don't have real-time visibility into what's happening on their endpoints. Isolating compromised machine means manually configuring firewalls or physically unplugging it, which takes two time to solve exactly this problem, which is lightweight, affordable, intelligent, and fast. So, what is Isolax? It is a three-part system where first part is the client engine. It is a lightweight program written in code that runs silently on Windows or Linux machine. It continuously monitors the system, capturing screen frames, listening process, hashing executables, and sending all of this data to the server. Second part is the cloud server, hosted on AWS EC2. It receives data from all connected agents and maintains a command queue for each client, runs the AI scanner, and also generates security alerts. The third part is the web dashboard, a web browser based SOC interface where the SOC analyst view live screen, inspect running process, and sell commands remotely, and also browse files, isolate any machines with just one click. Everything communicates through a secure pooling mechanism, which is simple, reliable, works even during isolation. It's the architecture diagram flow. Pulls the server every few seconds, sending system data and picking up any pending commands. The server processes incoming data, passes it to the AI scanner module, and updates the dashboards in real time. When the analyst clicks isolate on the dashboard, the server queues on isolate command. The client picks it up and pulls it up next, applies the firewall rule immediately and reports back all within 2 to 3 seconds. The control channel stays open throughout so the analyst never loses visibility of the isolated machine. How do we know if the process is malicious? When CSV code containing thousands of malicious SAH256 hashes, we skip the header row, look through every value and add anything that looks like a hash 32 plus characters into a Python set analysis code. If the hash does not match our malware database, we go one step further. We ask AI. We send the process name and executable path to the GPT-4 mini. The AI analyzes it behavior and it's a known legitimate process. Does the part look suspicious? Is it a malware as a system file? If the response contains malicious or suspicious, we raise a high alert. This catches zero-day threat that aren't in any as database. All scanning logic. For every process received from the endpoints, first check as against the known malware set. If it is matches, critical alert. If no matches, send to AI for behavior analysis. Suspicious, then high alert. Then third step is return all alerts as a JSON back to the server and dashboard. This is the login page of Isolax EDR. You can see there are two endpoints that are listed. Let's open through one endpoint. We, we can also view the live screen of the endpoints. And we can also view process monitor a list of full every running process on the endpoints like process name and action buttons to kill or investigate. We can also access the remote shell, also isolate. We run malicious software in the endpoints, then we run scanning, scans both the endpoints that are in the online. Once the scan is complete, we can see there are two new alerts that raised. One is where we can see one is safe and one is malicious. It's- It it is automatically isolated from the rest of the network. And we can also unisolate after uh, resolving the problem. Isolate delivers a real-time endpoint monitoring, AI-powered threat detection, and instant network isolation in a lightweight, cloud-based open architecture. No expensive license, no complex setup. Just install the agent and you are protected in the future. We plan to add WebSocket communication to replace the pooling and reduce latency. Integrate with SIM platform for enterprise scale monitoring. Add a mobile dashboard for on-the-go SOC analyst. This is the goal to make Isolax protection ready for real SOC environments. This is Isolax built for speed, simplicity, and real security impact. If you found this is useful, please like the video and subscribe. Drop any questions in the comment. I will reply all of them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.